Hi, and welcome to World of Suraj. Solar System, Part 3. Pluto. Pluto was the ninth planet from the Sun, from 1930 until 2006. Pluto is a brown, icy dwarf planet. Pluto is named after the Roman god of the underworld. Pluto has 5 moons. Charon is almost half the diameter of Pluto. It takes 248 years to orbit the Sun. Eris. Eris is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. Eris is icy and white. It is named after the Greek goddess of chaos. It is the second largest of the 5 dwarf planets. It was discovered in late 2005. Around the same time, Pluto became a dwarf planet. It takes almost 550 years to orbit the Sun. Its only moon is Haumea. Makemake. Makemake is the third largest and one of the 2 most known red dwarf planets, along with Sedna. Makemake has a moon called S2015 or MK2. Makemake is named after the Rapa Nui god of fertility. Makemake was discovered just after Easter 2005. Makemake takes 306 years to orbit the Sun. Haumea. Haumea is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. Haumea is the fastest dwarf planet to rotate on its axis in just under 4 hours. Haumea is a rocky, cool, elliptical dwarf planet. Haumea has 2 moons, Hayaka and Namaka. Haumea takes 284 years to orbit the Sun. Haumea has a thin ring system, and it is the only object in the Kuiper Belt to do so. Ceres. Ceres is the smallest and the only dwarf planet to be located in the asteroid belt, alongside asteroids Vesta, Pallas, and Juno, which were once planets. Ceres was discovered back in 1801. Ceres is a small, rocky, and gray dwarf planet, similar to the Moon. It orbits the Sun once every 4.5 years. Other dwarf planets: Core, Orcus, Sedna, Varuna, Ixion, Gongong. Other objects in the solar system: Comets. Comets are rocks which orbit the Sun. They have 2 tails, a dust tail and an eon tail. They eventually stop and later melt. Halley's Comet is one of the most known comets. Asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids are large rocks which orbit around either a star or a planet. Meteoroids are smaller asteroids. Asteroids can also form belts, such as the asteroid belt and the Kuiper Belt. Oort Cloud. The Oort Cloud are chunks of ice, dust, and rock which together orbit the Sun in a spherical shape. The Oort Cloud has an inner and outer region. The inner Oort Cloud is also called the Hill Cloud. The Oort Cloud is the last place where the Sun's gravitational pull ends. And inner, the Sun's solar winds eventually stop by interstellar wind. The end. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.